Let me share the screen. Wait. All of you are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No screen sharing is there.
Acha, wait for some time. It will come, huh? Acha, is the screen is visible to you properly or it is hazy?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
not hazy.
No, ma'am.
Not
hazy properly.
Okay,
Properly, ma'am.
good, good. Now all of you stay muted, huh? You mute yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, I have done some HCF over there. You will have to do some by prime factorization, okay, some by long division method. Understood? So there are mixed type of question. Now for Yash and Orghodip Maji, for these two new students, I am telling prime factorization method already done in class when you didn't join, huh? So all the other students already know about prime factorization method. So
you will do what?
this one you will have to solve.
What?
These questions you will have to solve. Just give heading HCF and write from exercise C and D. Put the date also, okay? Put today's date also.
Long division. Long division.
No.
Factorization.
No. Which one is given in bracket prime factorization? That means prime factorization. Suppose in bracket it is written long division, then long division. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Understood.
Now first question number 1. Acha, exactly in the same way you will have to mark. Suppose in exercise C, this question is given in question number 7. Okay, you will not mark this because some extra question are there. Okay, understood though? So question number 1, mark 64 and 48. By prime factorization, we have to find its HCF. Acha. For Yash and Orghodip Maji, I am explaining this one for both of you again. Look at this. 64 and 48. We have to just break it into prime factorization. 64, 232 is 64. Then again take by 2, 216. Again by 2, 2, 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Yes, Tom. Now, what to do? You have to write 64 is equal to this into this, into this, into this, into this, up to this, okay? Until we are getting a prime number here, we have to continue this process. Prime factorization breaking. This one is known as breaking into prime factorization. Achha, how many 2s are there? 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Orghodip, understood? First one, okay. The same thing we will have to do for 48. Understood? Now 48 we are doing. 224 is 48. By 2 again we are dividing. Acha, one thing. Orghodip, here only you have to take prime numbers, okay? You cannot take 4 over there. Understood? Just 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Clear though? Good. Now 2 12, 2 6, and we have to continue the same process until we are getting a prime number here. It is 6, not a prime number. Again, we have to divide it by 2, 2, 3. Now look, 3, it is a prime number. We have to stop here. Yes, though. Now we can write 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Yes. Now we have to check which prime numbers or which multiples are, which factors are common. Which factors or which prime numbers are common in both of them. Look. These two in both the numbers. Here is these two in both the numbers. Okay, these two and these two. Okay, look, these two and these two, both the two are there. Now anyone look here, one extra two, another extra two, but here is no extra two. That's why we are not going to take these two. And looks the same way in 48 there is 3 extra, but in 64 there is no 3. So we are not going to take this 3 also. Now what will be the HCF? Look, this 2 we have taken the common 2 na. This 2 is 1 2 is common in both of them. So we have to consider this one as 1 2 only. We are not going to take 2 times. So HCF is equal to 2. Look, this is 1 time, second time, third time, and fourth time. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Understood? Orgodeep? Clear to? Good. So this will be the HCF.
But can we do them together? Means in one row only?
In one row means?
That means 46
48 and 60,
Yes,
64
ma'am.
and 48
Together.
too.
and together.
But that will be division method.
Oh.
Okay. Basically that rule also we can say prime factorization, but
Yes, ma'am.
listen. Usually by when I explained in the last class, when we are finding LCM and HCF, if it is not mentioned, okay, then you can do whatever you want. But Divyanka, yes, you can take them together, no issue. Suppose it is asking by prime factorization or by division, then in the both case you can take them together. Understood too?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
In case of LCM and HCF together, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
But when it is mentioned, find the HCF using division method, then only division method divide process. When it is mentioned that by prime factorization, then either individual or together. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Number first one already I explained. Number 1, now number 2. Whatever you want, if you want to take together or individually, because actually together how to do already in the last 2 class I explained now. So now you
Yes,
can do
ma'am.
individual, but that one will take less time. Okay, complete it. Achha, now who have not understood, he or she can say not understood. Riazuddin, mute yourself. Now question number 2, 72, 108, 216. From whom the noises are coming? Riazuddin, mute yourself. So Oishi, Riazuddin, Tazib, Tamanna, mute yourself. Tazib, Oishi and Riazuddin, these 3 students, mute yourself. Anuva, Rifa, it is clear though? Okay. Now start number 2. By 2, it will be 36. Then 18 2s are 36. 9 2s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now just write in this way. Now 108. By 2 it will be 54. Then 27 2s are 54. Then 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Next 216. By 2 if we divide it will be 108. 54 2s are 108. 27, then 9, then 3. And right over there. Now look, find out which one is common. I have put a tick mark. Look, first 2. Look, this 2 is in 3. Is in all of them. The another 2, second 2 is also in all of them. And this 3 is in all of them. This 3 is also in all of them. No other digit is there, na?
না
Hey, muted.
আমাকে একটা দিছিলে আমি আর দেব না
I don't know what are you doing. Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now. Yes, ma'am.
No,
Now we can
ma'am.
see. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, question number 1 and 2 completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am. I'm writing.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
First.
Completed.
Today you will have to complete 10 questions. So be little bit faster. Amit Rajit, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ujan?
Yes, ma'am.
Debolin, write fast.
Ma'am, I have completed. Can I raise my hand?
Acha, those who have completed, yes, they can send their hand raise sticker and show me. I'll check their copy only. Okay. It.
But, ma'am, I have used a different number in the question number 3.
No. Which one is? I am doing in class. You have to do that one in class only. Debolin, okay.
No, ma'am. In the prime factorization, ma'am, that the numbers you have taken, that I have taken some different one. Like, ma'am, in the 120, in the case of 30, I have taken 2, then 15. Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, Beta. Already I told it is okay. In place of 2, suppose you are taking 3. Okay, no issue. Basically, you have to do it yourself. After that, match the answer, whether it is matching or not. I am showing only 225, the breaking of this. As the last digit is 5, so we have to take 5. We have to divide this number by 5. Okay, now 5 4s are 20. 22 is there, 2 will come and this 5 will also come. 25, 5 5s are 25. Now again by 5, the last digit is 5 too. 5 9, then 3 3. Okay. Now in case of 5, just like Debolin told, yes, you can take easily 3. Okay. Suppose you want to do this in this way, 3 3 7 21 1 5, 3 5s are 15. Then again 3 3 25, then 5 5s are 25. Okay, whatever you want, but remember, be careful, the number you are taking here must be prime number. Orgodeep, done? Anuva, complete it fast.
Ma'am, please show the 4 number question.
I am showing that one only. Acha,
Okay,
number
ma'am.
3. Number 3 and 4 is there. Basically, check which one is common in all of them. 120 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The last one is 5, huh? Acha, this
Ma'am,
one
the
is
screen gone.
No, ma'am, the screen is here.
Ma'am. But ma'am,
two-
in my device, the screen gone.
maybe it is your network.
The screen is gone, ma'am.
I have to see the screen. First we have to go mode and then the meeting settings go, then back from the meeting settings, then we can see the screen. I always do this.
Acha.
Okay,
Acha, good.
I got the
I leave the
screen.
meeting. I
you
leave
will
the meeting and again then I able to see the
Okay, then Trisha, if you are unable to see it, just leave and join, huh?
No, ma'am, now the screen came.
Okay, good. Acha, now which one is common in all of them? Look, this 3 is
Ma'am,
common.
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
2,
ma'am,
3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5.
How to?
How 2 is common?
Because
Yes.
in 225 there is no
2
2.
no 2.
3 and 5 only. So 3 5s are 15 is the answer. Now the third one, the fourth one. Rifa done?
Yes.
Good. Fifth one also. Do this one. Fourth one, these are very much easy even. Audito?
Ma'am,
Ah, yes.
Yes,
Sin.
ma'am.
ma'am, please show me the question number 3.
Ah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to number 5 is there, okay? I am explaining number 5. If we break 25, it will be 5 into 5. If we break 50, it will be first 2 25s are 50, then 5 5s are 25. So,
Ma'am, can you show us the 5 number full?
this one is the full. Wait, I am showing you, huh? In case of 50, look, the prime factorization breaking 2 into 5 into 5. Right? The prime factorization breaking of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. Now, which one is common in all of them? Look, this 5, and this 5. Yes, Tom. And this 5, and this 5. So the answer is 5 into 5. HCF is 25. Shayan Haldar, Kazi, understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. After that, I'll check up to question number 5. Okay. Acha. So I am showing you number 4, 5, and 6. All the questions are from prime factorization, na? Even these are very much easy. 35 is there.
waterways.
Look, 35 is there. Only 5 sevens are. Five sevens are 35. Now 70. Okay, now do it. 235 is 70, then 5 sevens are 35. Now only 5 and 7 is common factors now.
Done, ma'am.
5 into 7, 35 is the common factor. That is the HCF.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
5 into 5.
Shuhana, Shaurjashish,
Yes, ma'am.
completed up to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Up to 5 done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, done.
Oishi, Shomojit Malik, Oishi.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay, okay. Shinjini, Anushka, Shafin, and Tuhinu. These 4 students, keep your camera on. Shinjini,
Ashmita also.
Anushka,
Ma'am, my
Faizi,
camera is
Orphan,
on.
Riyazuddin.
Ma'am.
Yes. Acha, now let me show you the next one and let me explain the next one.
Ma'am, I have
Fifth one,
completed up to 10.
Okay. Fifth one done, sixth one done. Now the seventh one, 80 and 60. This one is also very much easy, na? 80.
But ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. You haven't shown up to ma'am 10, ma'am. But ma'am, how did Priyanka done 10 up to 10? Ma'am,
She has done from the book.
He has book. No. He done for.
But ma'am, you have choose some numbers only, and I have now those numbers only that you have chosen.
Okay, I'm checking. What have you done? Let me check it. This one done to 80, then 60.
1 minute,
By
ma'am, I
2,
am
it will
doing.
be 30. Okay. Then again by 2, 15 will be there. Then by 3, 3 5s are 50. Okay. Now, which one is common? I am not writing, okay, that 2 into 2 into in this way. I am circling the common part. These two common factor. Just I am making a circle. These two. These 5 and this 5. So what will be the HCF? 2 into 5.
Ma'am, 20.
Exactly. 20. So done. Number 7 understood to? Rifa, Sneha, Safin.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Tuhinur.
Yes,
Tehzib,
ma'am.
Tamanna. Tehzib. Good. Oishi, Anushka, Orpon and Riyazuddin. Tell me, Oishi, you are not saying a single word. Say whether have you understood or not.
Ma'am, yes.
Good.
But ma'am, it hasn't told by Oishi, ma'am.
Yes, Oishi didn't tell. Some other tell.
No, I have listened that. I have told good for the other one only. Oof. Baap re. Acha, now Riyazuddin, Oishi, Riyazuddin, Orpon and Sinjini. These 4 students are not turning on the camera, are not talking even.
So, ma'am, absent.
Yes. So you will be absent, huh? Now
Ma'am,
number
already
8
done.
1. All of you done up to 5 though? 5, 6?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
question.
yes,
ma'am.
Can you show 8?
Yes, it is here.
20 and 120. 220.
220 and 120. 220 by 2, it will be 110. Then again by 2, it will be 55. Achha, as the unit place is 0, so at first you can take 5 also, okay? Achha, then by 5, it will be 5, 11 is 55. Done. Now we can write 220 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. Now the next one, 120. By 2, it will be 60. Again by 2, 32s are 60. Then by 2, 15. Then by 3, 3 5s are 50. It is written over there. Now common, highest common factor. Complete this one first.
Ma'am, can I show my copy?
Wait, let me wait for 1 minute, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
For the others
Okay, ma'am.
also.
Ma'am, completed.
Today's class only up to this 8 question. Probably from the 9 it was long division, you know.
Yes, ma'am. 9 and 10.
I'm done.
At first when I showed you, then Divyanka, you took the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Then acha, okay, now the name I am calling, they will show me their copy, huh? One by one, the name I am calling. And one more thing, suppose I am calling 4 names. After checking only, I am taking the next 4 names, okay? Then when I will take the next 4 names, then don't say, ma'am, have you checked, okay? Don't do this thing.